iboboto nyo? For senator. Hindi ko pa alam sa akin. Charis! Nangungi na lang ako ng list. Uy, be, sure kayo na pwede mag-cellphone na. Huwag na lang sabihin. Sige. Sige, buloy pala. Charis. It's election day here in the Philippines, Joker. How about there? Peter, hello. Darren. Z. Where are you now? Are you here? Are you there? Are you there? Noel, hello. Okay, take care. Wait, 11. Nag-lunch na ba kayo, guys? Have you had your lunch? Your breakfast? Hi. Tawag dito. Ba't ganun? Cut off the not yet. Why? What is bear skin wrap? What's that? Ang init kasi. Oo nga eh. Tsaka feeling ko super daming tao.